whining, is this entertaining?
Oh my. Oh, mother. Stupid. Add hood struts to the list. For sure. It looks pretty good. Like, this actually doesn't have a ton of miles. I see a little mark right there that's mildly concerning. There's a hot spots, but overall, not too bad. Yeah, that ain't too bad. up. It uses a 22, which I already figured out earlier, but Gemini was correct and it did tell me that. Okay, all right. I feel good about this. I feel good. I think this is gonna go good. 22 go. I don't know. We'll use. This is also a 22, so that works. Not the one I was looking for, but. Yes, come on. Yes, yes. Oh. Okay. I should probably keep an old belt for stuff like this. Maybe that's what this belt will be. It'll be the belt for that now. Aw, come on, Hyundai. It's press on. No, it's not. 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 I don't think. Yes. Yes. Thank you, Hyundai. Oh, look at that. I was so worried about that. That's why I didn't do it earlier. I'm like, I don't want to deal with it. Oh man, it came right out, but we're tearing this belt up. We're definitely going to have to get a new one. I can feel it. It's kind of rough anyway. Look at it. Might be able to tell it's pretty degraded. So. Alright. I'm going to go underneath, get them bolts. Because they're transmission pan bolts, I'm going to assume 10s. Oh, I forgot to... I'm sorry. I forgot to bring you guys back up here from when I was underneath. Dang it. So all that footage is probably trash. No! Did you just see that? Oh, oh no, you didn't see it. You didn't see it. Bro, my tin just slipped out of my hands because, you know, all oily. It bounced off the power steering box and went into the turbo housing. Like perfectly, like dead center. Oh man. Wanna see down in there? Do you see it? No. Oh. Well, I think we're gonna have to go buy another 10. I mean, obviously I have to get that out, but I'm not sure that that's going to be a right now thing, to be honest. Nothing major. Nothing catches a fingernail, nothing like that. Let's get a gauge on how tight they are. Oh no. Oh. Look, that's better than what I thought just happened though. Way better than what I thought just happened. Alright guys. It's the next day and several $100 later. I went ahead and cracked all these loose. Let's go and get them out. I was on the phone, on a phone call, so I didn't record it, but I think that should be everything. Alright, here we go. Moment of truth. Oh my.
This is Wayne.